Great lovers are made, not born. Love is an art, and when a man understands this art, he can create magic in a woman's life. For a woman, love is not just an experience, it is a transformation. When she dives deep into the ocean of love, she does not remain the same. She blooms, she glows, she becomes the most beautiful version of herself. This art of love is a blessing for her. It is the oxygen that keeps her soul alive, the warmth that makes her feel safe, and the light that helps her see the world in brighter colors. She craves this kind of love, not because she is weak, but because she is meant to experience it. It's her birthright to be loved in a way that makes her heart dance. At least once in her life, every woman deserves to experience this magic. To know how the violin's melody feels like whispers of love, how colors blend like emotions, how chocolate melts like passion, and how the seeds touch the soil with a promise of life. Love, when given with depth and devotion, is a luxury. It is not something ordinary, it is extraordinary. When a woman is loved this way, she becomes a different woman. She walks with grace, speaks with softness, and carries a light in her eyes that the world cannot ignore. She no longer doubts her worth because love has shown her that she is precious. And dear men, if you wish to be remembered, if you wish to leave a mark on her heart, learn the art of love. Be the man who turns her world into poetry, who makes her believe in magic, who teaches her that love, when done right, is the most beautiful masterpiece.